Hey everyone and happy holidays. I'm Mike Sinisi, executive editor for Make Magazine, and this year I've asked some of the Make staff to pick a few items that they've used and loved over the course of this year as gift suggestions for you. Of course, all lists should start with a subscription to Make Magazine, so please put this one at the top. Alright, I'll go first. This is my most used tool. It's the Bosch 12-volt impact driver, pocket-sized, tons of power. I use it on every single project that I work on. Multi-pack of super glue single-use packets. No more wasting an entire bottle of super glue that's dried up. Next one, still on the glue side, is this hot glue gun pen. It's great, it's ergonomic for those precision projects. Everybody needs a laminator. So many uses for craft projects and beyond, stuff that you wouldn't even imagine until you get one. My most favorite project camera right now. This is the Insta360 1R. It's a multi-component pop-apart 360-degree camera kit. You can also put on different lenses. Set this up in the middle of your workshop or if you're outside working on something, and it will track you anywhere you're going. The DJI Mavic Mini is light, it's cheap, and I've flown it a mile and it comes back. If you're doing any music in the workshop or in the yard, this thing's been awesome for me. It's the Sonos Move, but I really recommend getting the IKEA Symfonisk Sonos speakers. I've got one under my desk. You can hack them and it's awesome. You can build incredible new speakers out of them or subwoofers. So many different projects you can do with them. So anyone that's in that Sonos system, great gift idea there. This thing was a surprise gift that I got this year. It's a kalimba, and it's been so useful for just letting me zone out when I'm working on a project and I need to clear my head for a minute. Gardening bags, fabric gardening bags. Get the 1 gallon size and get the 7 gallon size. Start the plants in here, move them into the 7 gallon size once they get big enough, and you're off and running.
Hey, I'm Caleb Kraft. I'm senior editor for Make Magazine and Maker Faire. You've probably seen me on the YouTube channel a lot. And my picks for a few things today that would be good gifts. On the more expensive side, a lavalier mic. This is, I'm not really familiar with this brand, but I just got this and it's been fantastic. They work on cell phones, they work on DSLRs. You just clip it on, turn it on both units, and it picks up the audio beautifully. If you work with small stuff, these little magnifying glasses things are great. They have a light built into them, just runs on a AAA battery, and then these magnifying lenses are interchangeable so that you can increase or decrease the magnification. Absolutely fantastic, would highly recommend.
Hi, I'm Tatsu. I'm the COO of Make. For Christmas this year, I'm recommending 3 items. First, for my mother-in-law, I'm going to be getting her some yarn. She's an amazing crocheter, and she crochets blankets for everyone in my family every year. As a family gift this year, I'm recommending a juice press. Whether you want lemons or oranges, fresh squeezed juice is particularly great for those wintertime cocktails. And thirdly, this year I'm recommending a desktop easel. A desktop easel is fun throughout the year because we all have an artist within us. Merry Christmas to everyone.
Hi there, my name is Dan. I'm the community manager at Make. My holiday gift suggestion for this year is the Canary cardboard cutter. This is one of my favorite tools to use whenever I get to work with cardboard. It's great for kids, for adults. I've been able to do so many different projects with these things. It's made working with cardboard so easy and it's so much fun. I've been able to get really nice shapes, really nice clean cuts. One of my favorite tools to use whenever I get the chance to work with cardboard. Hope you have a happy holiday season.
Hi there, my name is Jennifer and I'm the Global Community and Program Manager at Make. And I have a couple of things to recommend for holiday gifts that I use all the time and I love. The first one, which I bought for my partner earlier this year, but as an avid cook I use all the time, are these. They are a foot-long pair of tweezers from a brand called Kuchenprofi, and you can do all sorts of things with them in the kitchen. We use them to turn bacon and turn anything you would use tongs for, and you can also use them out of the kitchen to do things that require you to pull things out of tight places. So these are highly recommended, not expensive gift, especially for people who love to do things and cook. My second recommendation is something I've had for a number of years. It was originally given to me by a friend and I have since given to people. And it is what I consider to be the best rechargeable headlight around. It's by a company called BioLite. This is the battery pack on the back. It lasts for a long time. It's very bright and it's rechargeable. Third on the list is something I was actually just given this weekend, but I think it's an awesome present. It is a charging cable and a plugging things in cable from a company called In Charge. It's magnetic, long. It also comes in a short version. And for all of those dongle problems you have when you have too many devices and not enough ports or types of ports, it has this very handy system in which all the ports fit into each other. So those are my recommendations. I hope you find them useful. Thanks, bye.
Hello, I am Patrick DiGesto, the book editor at Make. If you have an idea for a book you would like to write for 2022, please get in touch. The gadget that I would like to offer as a holiday gift is this, the Alcatel Go Flip phone. It does everything a phone needs to do. It makes and receives calls. It makes and receives texts. As a concession to life in the 21st century, it also syncs to your email and synchronizes your online calendar. One thing it does not do, it does not connect to Facebook. It does not allow you to waste time on Instagram because those apps don't run on this phone. Many people have to face their own digital addiction, and we have to do it ourselves. The Alcatel Flip phone, however, makes it a lot easier.